Now come to question number 5. We have to find the value of 1 plus cos pi by 8 into 1 plus cos 3 pi by 8 into 1 plus cos 5 pi by 8 into cos 1 plus cos 7 pi by 8. Okay. Now bring these two together. Okay. So we will have 1 plus cos pi by 8 plus cos 7 pi by 8 plus cos pi by 8 into cos 7 pi by 8. Why we are bringing these two together? Because we know that cos pi by 8 plus cos 7 pi by 8 will cancel each other. Okay. So we can directly write here, we can ignore the term cos pi by 8 plus cos 7 pi by 8. Okay. And do multiply these two terms together. So it will give out 1 plus cos 3 pi by 8 into cos 5 pi by 8. Now cos pi by 8, cos A, cos B. What is the value of cos A, cos B? Cos A plus A minus B plus cos A plus B divided by 2. Okay. So cos A minus B means 6 pi by 8 or 3 pi by 4 plus cos A plus B means pi divided by 2, and similarly 1 plus cos pi plus cos pi by 4 divided by 2. Okay. Now 1 plus cos 3 pi by 4 equal to minus 1 by root 2. So minus 1 by root 2 cos pi equal to minus 1 cos pi by 4 equal to 1 by root 2. So put these values. Now here you can simplify it as 1 minus 1 by root 2 divided by 2. Okay. And it will get simplified as 1 plus 1 by root 2 divided by 2. Okay. Now 1 minus 1 by root 2 into 1 plus 1 by root 2. It can be written as 1 minus 1 by root 2 का whole square. So here it will be 4 or 1 by 8 is the required answer. Now come to question number 6. Equation is given and we have to find its solution. 2 cos square x by 2 into sin square x equal to x square plus x raised to power minus 2, and where x lies in the interval 0 to pi by 2. Okay, so first find the greatest value. What will be the greatest value cos square x by 2? It will have 1, okay, and it will have 1. So its maximum value will be 2, okay, and apply AMGM to this term. A plus b divided by 2 is greater or equal to root a by 2. So it will have maximum minimum value 2. It will always be greater than 2, okay. So we are getting that in LHS the maximum value is 2 and in RHS the minimum value is 2. So we will see that is the equality holds. So we will see we know where the equality hold in the RHS. Where will we, when will we get 2? When x equal to, when we put x equal to 1, okay, and in and put 1 in LHS, can we get 2? No, because cos square 1 by 2 will not equal to 1, okay. Neither sin square 1 will give you 1. So there will not be any solution, okay. Now come to question number 7. Function is given fx equal to cos of ln x, and we have to find the value of fx into f of y minus 1 by 2 into f of x divided by 1 divided by y plus f of x by y, okay. So f of x is cos of ln x. Now what will be the value of f of x by y? We will have cos of ln x by y, okay, ln x by y plus cos of ln xy, okay. Cos of ln a by b is equal to ln a minus b. And ln xy will be ln x plus ln y. Now this is in the form of cos a minus b plus cos a plus b. So it will give out you 2 into cos a cos b, okay, because sin a sin b will get cancelled. 2 cos and cos of ln y. We can cut this 2, so it will give you 0. Now see question number 8. We have to find general solution of sin x minus 3 sin 2x plus sin 3x equal to cos x minus 3 cos 2x plus cos 3x. So here it is cos sin 2x. So bring cos x this side, and again Okay, so divide by root 2 and multiply by root 2. This will be in the form of sine pi by 4 minus x. Okay, and similarly do this with this term, 3 root 2 into pi by 4 minus 2x. Okay, and in RHS we will have one minute. We did a small mistake here. It will, we can do this, but it will not be solved easily. Means find the value of this term, root 2 into sine pi by 4 minus 3x. Okay, and in RHS we will have 3 sine 2x minus cos 2x. Okay, now this is in the form of sine A plus sine B. Okay, so we can write it as 2 into sine A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. A plus B by 2 means pi by 2 minus pi by 4 minus 2x A minus B means cos x, and in RHS we have 3 sine 2x minus cos 2x. Okay, and sine now write it as root 2 root 2 cos x sine pi by 4 minus 2x, and in RHS we will have 3 sine 2x minus cos 2x, which can be written as sine pi by 4 minus 2x. Okay, so sine pi by 4 minus 2x will get cancelled both the side, root 2 will get also cancelled, we will have cos x equal to